Hi, I'm Alex Fernandez with Miter Brands, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your keeper on your sliding glass door. So the first thing you want to do is remove the force fasteners off the keeper with a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Once you remove the fasteners, you want to remove the keeper off the frame. You want to get your keeper and hang it on your mortise lock. So you want to slide the door to the jamb so you can line the keeper with your frame. With a pencil, you want to mark the bottom of the keeper where it ends. Then you're going to take the keeper off your door, bring it to your mark, line the bottom of the keeper to your mark, push the keeper back into the frame. Then you want to place the fasteners back from where you removed them in the beginning, secure the fasteners, and then you can confirm your door's locking.